The second mistake that the accountant can commit while preparing a profit and loss appropriation account can be the sharing of profit in the wrong ratio. The accountant share the profit in wrong ratio. We can take one example. The A, B, C partners, they have shared profit in ratio 3:2:1. Okay, they have shared profit in the ratio 3:2:1. Okay, so there is no problem. But there was no partnership deed between them. There was no partnership deed between them. So, as in the absence of partnership deed, the profit and losses to be shared in the ratio 1:1:1, that is equally between the partners. In the absence of partnership deed, the profit to be shared in the ratio 1:1:1. But they have wrongly divided the profit in 3:2:1. Okay, so we have to rectify it. To rectify it, we can use the same past adjustment account, but in a different way. Okay, so the actual profit was 42,000. They have shared this profit in the ratio 3:2:1. So A will get 21,000, B got 14,000, and C got 7,000. Total 42,000. Okay, but as per the provisions of Indian Partnership Act 1932, in the absence of partnership deed, they have to share it equally. Okay, so the 42,000 should be divided equally. That means each one has to get 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, and 14,000. Total 42,000. Okay, but A took 21,000. Actual to be shared was 14,000. A got 7,000 excess. Okay, that means A got 7,000 excess. The excess of 7,000 was taken by A. 7,000 taken excess. Okay, then B already got 14,000. Now also B will get 14,000. So there is no change. But in the case of C took over 7,000. C should get 14,000. So C got only 7,000 less. Now C has to get 7,000 more. Okay, 7,000 more. That means A has already got 7,000 more. C has to get 7,000 more. A got 7,000 more and C got 7,000 less. Okay, so by preparing past adjustment account, we can rectify it. So please listen. First we have to write the profit already distributed in ratio 3:2:1. Now reversed. Now reversed. We have to write profit already distributed in 3:2:1. That is wrong ratio. Now get reversed. Now get reversed means partners will pay back that amount to the firm. The partners will bring back this amount to the firm. That means the firm will get the amount, the partner will lose the amount. When the partner loses the amount, their capital will be reduced. So this amount should be debited. Since they are paying this, their amount should be debited. 21,000, 14,000, 7,000. The amount they have already taken back to their home now got reversed. That means they have to bring back, so it should be debited. But in the case of the firm, this amount should be credited because the amount is getting back to the firm. Okay. Now we have to balance it. As I said earlier, first we have to balance firm's account. Okay. So firms have 42,000 in credit side. We have to write 42,000 in debit side also. The difference is 42,000. 42,000 is more in credit side. If the firm has more in credit side, so it is a profit. So the profit, this profit should be divided in which ratio? Since we have no partnership deed, it has to be divided equally, that is 1:1:1. So this 42,000 is being distributed to partners in 1:1:1, that is 14,000, 14,000, 14,000. Okay, and then we have to balance the partners account, 21,000, 14,000, 14,000. Then now we have to check. A has 7,000 more in debit. B has 40,000 in both sides, so nil. C has 7,000 more in credit. Now, so since A has 7,000 more in debit, we have to debit A's capital account. A's capital account debit 7,000 to C's capital account. This is a single adjustment entry. Okay, either we can prepare past adjustment account or we can make one working and we can write. But in order to make the single entry, it is better to prepare past adjustment account. If you study this format, it will be very helpful. If any question asked, you can just prepare this account and make this transaction. Okay, so in both methods we will get the same answer, but it is better that you should prepare past adjustment account. Okay, so here if in this case if we wrongly divide the profit in a wrong ratio, now we can correct it. Okay, by making one single entry.